years ago I completed project Pool and everything turned out well, running fine, very happy with that. Then I thought also let's drive a little bit on the Kreidler, and I was just about 50 meters away from home and then the gearbox failed. I couldn't shift to the third, fourth and fifth gear. I was only able to shift down to first gear and shift up to second gear. So I asked around and someone said perhaps it's your gear spring which is broken, and after opening the gearbox it turned out it was right. Indeed, the gear spring was broken. This was the gear spring. This leg should be connected here. I don't know how this happened, perhaps material weakness, I don't know, never mind. Once that spring was off, I ordered a new spring. On the website it said it was a spring for this kind of gearboxes, so I thought it was fine. After inspecting other stuff as well, I found also out that this eccentric bolt was broken around the shaft. After releasing the bolt, this piece just came off. Then the funny thing came. I would like to put back the cover on this gearbox with the new spring installed. I was able to. It was not going smoothly. I took it off again, checked, realigned all the shafts. Still it was not feeling right. Crankshaft was moving freely, kickstarter was fine, etc, etc. After I thought it was all fine, I put back the complete engine block on the frame again, connected the clutch cable and tried to shift gears. After 3 times opening this gearbox I was completely done with it, and I asked someone for help and he said yeah, please come over and we will have a look at it. So he opened the gearbox again and he said, is this spring new old stock or is it imitation? I said, well, I just started it on the website and it was new. He said, okay, that's your problem, because the new spring doesn't fit on the old gearbox. So tada, there is your problem. So he did take the spring off, he threw it away, he put back in a new old stock spring, assembled the case and voila, it was finished. Shifting gears fine. So this is the stage where I am now. Gearbox is back and I can assemble again this engine. Yeah, that's it. Enough talk for this time. Just put back this engine. And